Hey guys. Hello guys. How are you doing? I just had to, make some changes here. Anyways, we're back. I'm gonna play some non-copyright sounds.
A double quarter pounder with
Copyright sounds. Actually, I'm just gonna go on Spotify. Hey guys, we are going to do a few things. Yeah, so we're basically working on our tool. It's called I don't actually know what it's called right now, but we've been working on it for quite a while. And what it is essentially is a workflow builder that you can build kind of like these very complex workflows with conversational agent. And I don't know if you guys have heard of clay.com, but it essentially is like a combination of clay.com and NA10. So the reason we're building this is because me personally, for myself, I want to build these kind of complex workflows for clients and let them use the tool initially. And I feel like that there's just so much potential with the tool because there is like this thing in the space of building with workflows called drag and drop fatigue, which is like you're just playing around with nodes and mess around with data. And we do allow you to mess around with the data in the tool, so you can actually edit all these different things, but it's mostly that you're speaking with the AI copilot to create these automations rather than getting your hands dirty. So this is what we've built so far, and I don't know, I don't know if you guys have used clay.com, but it is essentially a alternative to clay.com, but it is in combination with NA10. So it's like clay.com plus NA10 plus Replit all in one. And this will allow you to save a lot of time. So this is what we've been building for the past 3 months now, 3 months. And it is a lot of work, but it's worth it. I think like once this gets released, I think like people will love the tool with in terms of what it's going to offer for them. So yeah, I really do like the stage it's at the moment, and I feel like it's only gonna get better. So right now I'm working on this one thing, error markers, but has they have the same. Yeah, so there's some weird issue going on here. We're trying to fix it. So one issue that we're facing is the error markers in the tool. So as you can see here, so this is the workflow that we're building, and we have something called here the statuses. For some reason, I mean, all of these are partial, which is wrong. These are actually all complete rows, but something's happened which is causing it to get marked as partial, which is slightly problematic. So we're missing out a specific edge case here. Row 1, but also has error markers. The timer exit timer error should be on profile, not on profile. Data set. Okay. Yeah, this is a bit of a weird one. All right. So, what do you guys think of the UI so far? By the way, the UX specifically, actually, the way we've done it is that when you click on a specific edge node, it takes you to the columns that are dependent on the edge node. So these are basically it uses cons. It's something called cons algorithm. So what this is topological sorting. Um, it's using topological sorting given I don't even understand this, but I just asked the AI model, just do as much research as you can into what kind of algorithm we should use for our tool, and it came back with this one. So, yeah, the patterns more clearly. Row 1 shows this, this, this. Okay, you see how many times I've actually compacted them. I paid for 3 core subscription, by the way, guys. I pay for 3 core subscriptions because this just keeps getting compacted, and I think it's because of my MCP tools. I need to quickly turn some off. Hang on, just take this off. Yeah, I need to turn this one. This one takes so much context window. So yeah, all right. Do you have any questions so far, guys? All right, let's see. I think Clay uses this. Does Clay.com use con algorithm? I love this thing so much. What kind of algorithm? Okay, let's just actually see. I want to see what kind of algorithm. What kind of algorithm does Clay.com and Any10 use? I think they use Khan's algorithm as well, if I'm not mistaken. ETL enrichment pipeline. Yeah. Yeah, DAG. You see, we use DAG. They don't use DAG. Yeah. Can you review? Yeah. So this is, by the way, guys, I think this is the 4th compaction. This issue is very, very complex, and it's compacted 4 times to try and solve this error that we're facing with the tool. So, yeah. So let's see. I actually don't have a clue what's going on here, but this one did actually work. This is the one that says partial. I need to check Superbase. Right. This is the one. Let's see what's going on here. What photos? This actually. Do you need to this next one? I need to see the error markers. I don't even think this is the one. This is G2. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. I got it. And but there's an error marker somewhere here. Actually, where's the error marker? This is the error marker, right? I think so. I just need to know. I'm not sure, but we used modify recipe during the tool called modify recipe. And yeah, I don't know what's going on, but yes, it's weird. So I'm guessing the error markers are meant to be cleared when there's a success, or how is it supposed to work? Yeah, it's gonna compact again, by the way, guys. Again, this is kind of crazy. Please get 4 reviewer agents to identify what might be causing this partial rows error. Base execution rules. It's okay. Yes. Or just do it. Continue. Yeah. This is nuts. Not valid. I don't know if this is the error marker. Or the error marker supposed to show here. That is the error marker supposed to show actually. See, this is why the issue is. I think it's going to be in here. The error markers. I have no clue. Yeah. I'm not sure why this is happening. I also do not see source discovered parts. Why is this taking so long and they're using 0 tokens? What's that about, guys? All right, let's just, we're trying to find out what's going on here. I mean, the error markers are not showing up properly. Very weird. So we need to fix that. Oh, god damn. All right. Oh no, it's just stuck. It's just stuck, guys. I'm not sure what is happening. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm gonna end the stream.